Welcome to Product Critique,
where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets.
Today, we're diving into the world of cheese graters with the X-Home Rotary Cheese Grater.
If you're looking to elevate your culinary game, stay tuned because this might just be the gadget you need.
Let's talk about what makes this cheese grater stand out. It's not just a grater, it's a multifunctional kitchen marvel.
Equipped with 3 interchangeable blades, it effortlessly handles everything from cheeses to vegetables and nuts.
No more manual slicing or chopping.
This grater delivers uniform cuts in seconds, saving you time and effort. Built with 430 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS plastic, it ensures durability and safety.
The powerful suction base keeps it securely in place, eliminating any unwanted slipping during use. Whether you're prepping a cheese platter or slicing vegetables for a salad, this grater is your kitchen companion.
Easy to use, easy to clean. Simply detach the blades and rinse them off or toss them in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. What's more, it's compact and space-saving, perfect for any kitchen size.
So, if you're ready to revolutionize your kitchen routine, consider adding the X-Home Rotary Cheese Grater to your culinary arsenal.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques like this one.
Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!